Next thing we're working on is the flooring. I already put a base coat of some red stain that I had left over. It's an outdoor stain. I just want the floor to be as protected as possible, just because we're going to be tracking mud, dirt, snow in and out of here, and I don't want the wood to prematurely rot. It's the next day. The paint's dry. I just have to touch up the edges all the way around. And I might go ahead and do a second coat because we use this OSB board. And it's not a smooth surface, so you can see the red through some of the gaps here. So I think what I'll do is just go ahead and roll a second coat on there.